In cleaning validation, execution failures are rarely caused by technical errors in cleaning procedures. More often, they result from coordination and control challenges that emerge when validation activities are carried out in a live manufacturing environment. Validation runs must be performed alongside routine production, often involving shared equipment, tight schedules, and multiple teams. When responsibilities are unclear, handoffs are poorly managed, or timing constraints are not fully considered, execution can deviate from what was defined in the protocol. Common challenges include equipment not being available when planned, changes to production sequencing, or uncertainty about equipment status at the time cleaning is performed. These issues can lead to delays, repeated runs, or results that are difficult to interpret, even when the cleaning process itself is effective. Recognizing these execution challenges helps teams design validation activities that are practical, controlled, and easier to apply under routine manufacturing conditions.